Hey guys, I'm Kobe MX. This is my new setup, Subrosa Malum 2014 Navy Blue and Chrome. It's my bike check. Alright, we got Subrosa Chrome bars, 8.5 rise, 28 width, Shadow Conspiracy 13 grips and bar ends, Subrosa hold tight top load stem. We got Subrosa forks with tapered legs, Rant alloy female axle hub sealed. Then you got Rant double walled rim, Shadow Conspiracy Strata 2.3 tires. You got Subrosa Malum 2014 Navy Blue frame. We also got the Shadow Conspiracy mid crow pivotal seat. So we got Subrosa shred sprocket. We got Rant heat treated cranks, full chromoly. We got Shadow Conspiracy PC pedals, Shadow Conspiracy interlock V2 chain. Then we got the Rant back hub sealed female axle, and Rant double walled back rim. Shadow Conspiracy 2.3 tires, and yeah, that's my setup. It also came with Rant brakes, so I'm also going to do a hub sound on this bike. Alright, a second. That's the hub sound of it. This bike is great. The only problem that I have with it is the stem is kind of loose. It'll squeak, and when the chain will come loose on you too sometimes. So you just gotta, I don't know. I gotta get that taken down to the bike shop. So yeah, like, subscribe. Thanks. It's my Subrosa Malum 2014.